Hi, want to know how to connect your Sony WF-C700N to an application? So, as a first step, we would need to go to the Play Store and then find this application name of which is Sony Sound Connect. And also remember that the developer should be Sony Corporation. After you have installed the application, we would need to click on this button Open. Now, this application will start looking for our earbuds, but also make sure that your earbuds are connected to your phone before you do anything of this. Now, when our application has automatically find our earbuds, here we would need to do some setup. So we click next, then later, and next. Now we can also click later and click OK. And this is it. The setup of our headphones is complete and we can click go to my device on the page where you would be able to find a lot of information about your earbuds and also a lot of settings. That's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.